Thank you so much for joining us for Flood 2011. Looking back, moving forward, we have one more moving story to tell.
Yeah, the night the floodwaters were rising, one of our own, videographer Giovanni, gave us a call to let us know that he likely wouldn't be in work the following morning. Like many people in Owego, which is where Gio lived, the waters were quickly rising around his house. And as we worked, we also worried because for the next 2 days after that last call, we didn't hear from Gio.
Well, we didn't know at the time his Gio, still the videographer, grabbed his own camera and he chronicled what was happening around him on a street with his family. And some friends and a local band called Freaks of the Forest wrote this song. So we leave you with Giovanni's story, as we know it represents many of your stories.